po ba, Kasani, ang madalas na pinagsisinungalingan?
Well, according to a survey conducted by Statista, the following are the percentages of people who have been lied to by someone they know. Friends, 80%, romantic partners, 70%, family members, 69%, co-workers, 64%, and acquaintances, 40%. Lilinawin lang po namin na hindi po kami ang may sabi niyan, kundi yan po ay batay po sa isang survey.
Taas po ang percentage ng mga taong hindi lang kakilala, kundi malapit pa sa puso nila ang makagagawa ng pagsisinungaling sa kanila.
And this emphasizes, kapatid Dabinis, the importance of building trust and open communication in our personal and professional relationships.
Opo, totoo po yun. Mapag-usapan naman natin po, Kasani, ang ukol po sa most common types of lies na pwedeng masabi ng isang tao.
Well, kapatid Dabinis, white lies po is the most common type of lie, with 72% of people admitting to telling them according to a study.
Opo, and sabi nga po nila, white lies are often harmless lies that are told in order to avoid hurting someone's feelings or to be polite. Halimbawa po niyan, Kasani, magtatanong ang kaibigan kung maganda ba ang ayos ng buhok niya. Kahit sa totoo lang, ay hindi naman, di ba po?
Makaka-relate.
Opo, para wag lang masaktan ng kaibigan, ay sasabihing okay naman ang ayos ng buhok.